It's 20th May 2025, and we all have seen today a very unfortunate and also it's a very unexpected thing happened in Manipur, that the armed forces, who are supposed to protect life, liberty, and the people of Manipur and also the integrity of Manipur, they have openly denying the very existence of Manipur in Manipur, and they have forced the Manipur State Transport Corporation officials to remove the name of Manipur inside the soil of Manipur. And this act is a very serious kind of act, and it is a manifestation of how the government have treated Manipur in the last 2 years. This is not only a de-recognition of the existence of very existence of Manipur, but also this is an act of act of assisting to the divisive forces of Manipur. As we all know that during this festival of Siroi Lili festival, some miscreants, the sectarian forces, the armed groups have openly challenged the people of Manipur, particularly to the Meitei community, that you cannot cross and you cannot go to all the territories of Manipur. It is also against the very principles of the free movement in Manipur. But the very army who are actually supposed to protect the free movement of Manipur and the constitution of Manipur, they are now openly saying to remove the name of Manipur. So this actually suggests that the government of India, or even the authority in the Manipur, they are actually not actually recognizing Manipur existence. This will not be acceptable by the people of Manipur, and this will be fought by the people of Manipur, because the Manipur is actually not created by the government of India, and the Manipur was already existing before the formation of the Indian state. So even the Indian constitution was adopted. Before the constitution was adopted, the idea of Manipur and the very existence of Manipur was already there. So trying to divide Manipur or trying to dismantle or destroy Manipur, this will be an act of war. This will be an act of actually inciting violence against the whole population of Manipur. Because as we all know that Manipur people will never accept any kind of the balkanization and destroy of Manipur, and Manipur people will come and stand to protect at any cost. And this is a very unfortunate thing, and this is not only done by the security forces. We wanted to ask the authority that who have ordered the security forces to remove Manipur. So this is a conspiracy, and as you all know that Manipur is under the president rule, and the president rule under the direct Delhi rule. So this is happen when Manipur is directly ruled from Delhi. So that is why we wanted to appeal to the government and also the people of Manipur, that this is a time that we actually need to stand united, and also to tell the government of India that don't try to such kind of unacceptable things in Manipur. And for that matter, the Delhi Meitei Coordinating Committee is organizing a press conference tomorrow at the Press Club of India, and we will also raise our concerns to the people of the country and also particularly to the government of India, that today's act is not a simple act, but this is a deliberate and conspiracy against the very idea of Manipur.